Hi guys, Pete Soma with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2021 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. We're going to start inside the cockpit, but I am going to focus on a few key features here in the back. This boat does have the sea deck flooring on the swim platform here. I'm going to slide around Frank. And this is a really awesome feature with the stern drive version of this boat. We do have the submersible swim step, which will go all the way down when your drive is trimmed. All right, sliding back in. This boat has a really comfy seat back here on the sun pad, up like so, which will go down like such. And that's actually going to be right underneath, or right on top of, the engine compartment. 6.2 Mercruiser, 300 horse. This is also going to store our bow table. Right now we have the cockpit table in place. Really cool spot to kind of hang out and have some drinks and your lunch. L-shaped seating here. This is the dune color interior with the brown flooring, infinity woven flooring. Bimini top. At the helm here, captain's chair, thigh-high bolster, Simrad display, fusion stereo. Obviously our throttle here. 12 volt and USB ports here. Great spot to plug in your phone, put it right there. Our co-captain's chair, again, own individual thigh-high bolster. Head compartment. The 23 is the smallest Sea Ray that comes with a head. Let Frank go up to the bow. Nice spacious seating up there. Underneath both of these, underneath both of our seats, they are insulated, so you can fill these up with ice. All right. And then just access to your anchor. All right, guys, again, 2021 Sea Ray 230 SPX. If you have any questions about this or any of the boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.